In this video, we'll automatically connect two Airtable records together using Airtable automations. Hope you enjoyed the video and please subscribe below. So this is my Airtable base I created earlier for a Amazon script information from Amazon. So this is my product list and these are our product details. As you can see, what it does is get a product title, get all the product details, get all the details on the main page there. And on here, it'll be the details, but because it's the same title, it'll have many different kind of details. So another one here, shoe. There we go. So that's a different kind. So what the plan is, so when these items come in, we'll have it searching. So when these items come in here, it will instantly be linked to the right item in here. So what we need to do is in here, we add a section and a field here. This will be linked to another record. So we're linked to product list copy. So I've just copied that list there, you can see. So what we do here is make a link file. We link to that, to our product list copy. It says there. We need to add a lookup field. And the lookup field will be for details. There we go. So when it comes through, it'll come out like that. So all your details will be right there. So all you do for this is in your automations, we're going to create a new automation. Details to, we're going to, when a record is created. So we get to this bit here, what we do is your details page, choose record, advanced logic, find a record first. So you got to find the one in product list. You go to conditional view, you go add, you go title, contains, you press on this little thing at the side here, dynamic, you go to title, test, perfect. Here you go to next step, you go to update record now. You update the product list record, obviously. What you want is you're updating this one here. There we go. Then you can choose a field which one you want to update. You're updating this field here, and you're updating it with this one here from this one. So you run and test. So what you have to do here is go slightly wrong. On the base record URL is the Airtable URL there. There we go. Run this test again. There we go. Sorted. So what happens now is switch on. Let's add one here. So as soon as the record comes in here, so what will happen now is as soon as the record comes in, all we can do to test this is add a little form. Let's add a form. All these. Title is what we're looking for, so we need a title. Let's put this one here. Let's go test this out. Title can be that. There we go. And now in this women's shoes should have, there we go. Create it instantly. I hope this has been helpful. Please subscribe below and keep on building.